guys, today we're working on pages 283 and 284, so make sure you have your packet for the next day. Today we are going to start by counting, but this time I've covered up some numbers on my 100s chart, and so I was wondering if you could tell me what's the biggest number that you can see. What's the biggest number? 100, exactly. And what's the smallest number that you can see? 50, way over here. Yep, this is the smallest number on my 100s chart that you can see. So what we're going to do is we are going to start by counting from 50 all the way up to 100. Ready? Can you count with me? Ready, set, go. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So now I have some numbers that I want you to guess. So first, I'm thinking of the number that comes after 88. So what is the number that comes after 88? Let's think. So the number that we have is 88. Let's count 87, 88. What comes next? 89. You're right. Now I'm thinking of the number that comes before 83. So I'm looking for this number. What comes before 83? I know the number that comes after is 84. So what if I count backwards? 84, 83. What's one less than 3? 82. Good job. And now I'm thinking of a number that's kind of in a sandwich. What's the number that comes between 12 and 14? What's that number in the sandwich in the middle? 12, 14. What's this number? 13. Good job. Now you and I are going to try and play a game of tic-tac-toe. So remember how we play tic-tac-toe? We want to try to get 3 X's or 3 O's in a row. I have some addition facts for you, and so we're going to work together and try to see what their answers are. So I'm looking for answers of 5. So we're going to be looking for things that add up to 5. If they add up to 5, we're going to circle it. And if they don't, we're going to put an X through it, okay? So let's think. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 1, 2, 3. Does that equal 5? It does. So we're going to circle it. What about 1 plus 2? Does that equal 5? It does not. 1 plus 2 does not equal 5. 1 plus 2 equals 3. How about 0 plus 4? Does that equal 5? No. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Let's do this one. 1 plus 0. Does that equal 5? No. 1 plus nothing is 1. How about 4 plus 1? Does that equal 5? 4 plus 1 more. 5, it does. So what are we going to do? Circle it. 1 plus 3. Does that equal 5? 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Nope, that equals 4. How about 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1. Nope. 3 plus 1, does that equal 5? 3 plus 1 more? Nope, that equals 4. Guys, do you think we're going to win our tic-tac-toe game? Let's find out. We have one more. 5 plus 0. Does that equal 5? It does. Look, guys, we won. Tic-tac-toe. So, my friends, we talked about yesterday how we are in the month of May. Can you say May? May. Good job. Now, we're in the month of May, and there are 12 months in a year. Can you say 12? And we write that with 1, 2. There are 12 months of the year. And today we're going to talk about the names of the months, which I know you probably have practiced in the classroom already. But let's practice anyways. So the first one we have is January. January. The next one is February. Can you say February? February. March. March. April. That was last month. April. May. That's the month we're in right now. May. June. Can you say June? June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. And the last month is December. December. What holiday do we celebrate in December? We celebrate Christmas. And Christmas, we celebrate the day that Jesus was born. Now, when we celebrate Jesus' born, that happened a long time ago. Do you know how long that happened? Many, many years. But guess what? What year are we in? Do you know what this means? 2020. 2020. So we are in the month of May. And we're in the year 2020. Today is Thursday. And let's check our calendars to see what date it is. Today is Thursday, May 7th. So we'll say Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Can you say that? Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Do you know what this big number means? It means that we are about 2020 years after Jesus was born. Isn't that cool? We're 2020 years after Jesus is born. So when we say the year, that's another part of the date. So what day is it? Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Good job. Do you know why people use a calendar? Sometimes they have to mark special days so we don't forget. Like maybe the last day of school happens in May, right? So we don't want to forget when the last day of school is. So maybe you put a note on the last day of school so you don't forget. Or maybe you have a friend's birthday in June and you can't forget when to go to the birthday party. Maybe your birthday is in July and you want to put it on the calendar so nobody else forgets. Can you think of another holiday that happens in July? There's like American flags, and maybe you have hamburgers and hot dogs, and there's fireworks. The 4th of July. Maybe in November, Thanksgiving, right? When we come together with family and we remember why we're thankful. December, Christmas, we usually remember it's the 25th, but there might be other special days. So we use a calendar to remember special dates and to not forget. Now let's look at the month of January. What is the first day of January? January 1st, and it comes on a Wednesday. When is the last day of January? The 31st, and it's on a Friday. Good job. What about February? When is the first day of February? This year, it's on a Saturday. And when is the last day? The 29th. This year we had leap year, and the 29th was also on a Saturday. Let's look at March. Can you find the first day of March? On a Sunday. Sunday, March 1st. When is the last day of March? The 31st. On a Tuesday. Let's look at April. When is the first day of April? Wednesday the 1st. April Fools, it's on a Wednesday. When is the last day of April? There's the 30th, on a Thursday. And this month, we're in May. When was the first day of May? It was on a Friday, May 1st. When is the last day of May going to be? What day will it be on? May 31st. It's going to be on a Sunday. So the last day of May will be on Sunday, May 31st. Let's look at next month. When is the first day of July? Do we know off the top of our head? No, but we can look at a calendar. We can look at June. And we can look at the calendar of June and know that the first day will be on Monday. Monday, June 1st. When is the last day of June? The 30th, you're right. And it's on a Tuesday. July. When is the first day of July? On a Wednesday. When is the last day of July? The 31st. Friday, July 31st. What about August? When is the first day of August? On the Saturday. When is the last day? The 31st. On Monday. What about September? When is the first day of September? Tuesday the 1st. And can you find the last day of September? There it is, the 30th, and that's on a Wednesday. Wednesday, September 30th is the last day of September. What about October? Thursday, October 1st. That's the first day of October. When is the last day? The 31st, and that's on a Saturday. Let's look at November. When is the first day of November? On Sunday. Sunday, November 1st. When is the last day of November? The 30th. And it's on a Monday. And December. When's the first day of December? On Tuesday. Tuesday, December 1st. When's the last day of December? The 31st, on a Thursday. What day of the week does Christmas come on? And remember, Christmas is the 25th. Can you find Christmas on our December calendar? What day of the week? 21, 22, 23, 24. Here's the 25th. and the 25th comes on a Friday. Good job. So we just went over the months of the year, and I wrote them on my whiteboard. So will you echo the names of the months with me? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's count how many months there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many months are there in 1 year? 12. We counted 12. Now we are in which month right now? We're in May. May. Which month is that? Is that the first month? Is that the second month? Let's count and see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. We are in the 5th month. Exactly. All right, friends, now let's look at our packet page. Remember, page 283. And it talks about the months of the year. For this page, you need scissors and a glue stick or some tape. So what you're going to do is we're going to cut these out and we're going to put them in the right order. So remember, what's the first month of the year? January. And usually that's when we celebrate New Year's Eve, and it's still kind of cold and wintry, and so we're still on Christmas break, and so we can think of it like with a little snowman. It's in the winter, January. Now the second month, this is a month that maybe it has Valentine's Day, and there's lots of hearts, and it starts with an F. February. So we're going to cut February out and put it in the second box. Okay, now I have February. The third month is March. Fourth month starts with an A. A. April. And sometimes you might hear people say April showers brings May flowers, because sometimes it rains a lot in April, and so we're going to look for the one with an umbrella. So we're going to cut April and tape him next to March. April showers brings May flowers. The next one is the month that we're in right now. May. And remember, April showers brings May flowers. Good job. So cut May out and put them in the next box. The next month is June. Can you say June? June. And that's a month for summer. So they put a little picnic basket. Now we have January, February, March, April, May, June, What's the month that I said we celebrate with American flags and fireworks? The 4th of July. So look for the month with the American flag. July. Cut that out and put here. Okay, we have July, August with the sunshine. It's usually really hot in August. September, we go back to school, so that's a little picture of a school. And after September, we have a month that starts with an O. And it's the fall. October, it has a pumpkin. Sometimes you carve pumpkins in the month of October. So you have October, November. There's a little turkey for Thanksgiving. And then the last month is December. And they have a little star, right, for Christmas lights, or you put the star on top of the Christmas tree, or the North Star that led the 3 wise men to Jesus in the manger. So December is the last month. It's the 12th month. Good job. So now that we've taped all our months, let's review them one more time. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And at the very bottom, you get to write your birthday. So if you look closely, it says, I was born on, and first you're going to put the month. So what month were you born in? I was born in February. So I'm going to look at February, and I'm going to write it down here. I was born on February, and I was born on the 23rd. How do I write a 23? Can you help me, kindergarten? I was born on the 23rd. So you put February 23. What month and what day were you born on? So go ahead and write that at the bottom. And when you're done, turn the page. On this side, you're going to write the year that you were born, right here. And then here you're going to write the year that it is right now. Do you remember what year it is right now? You can peek at my calendar. 2020. So you're going to write 2020. For that part, you might have to ask your grown-up what year you were born in. And so when they tell you, I would guess that maybe you were born in 2015, 2014. Maybe you were born in 2013. Some of you. But you can have a grown-up help you write the number of the year that you were born. And then at the bottom, we're going to complete each addition sentence. And you guys can do this. So remember, we can use our fingers, we can use our cubes. So 0 plus 1 is 0, plus 1 more is 1. 1 plus 1 more is 2. So keep going. Write those answers on your paper. And when you're done, you're all done for today, okay? Good job, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.